You've taken your video, you load it in the Powerdirector, all of a sudden you realize, oh my god, look at all the background. I've got dog hair everywhere on this table. I love my dog, but he really ruined the shot, and I was like, what am I gonna do now? Now normally you would have to reset up your camera, get everything going, get your lighting again, and even the lighting was horrible in this shot. I don't know what I was doing that day. It was just a mess. So I'm going to load this into ColorDirector, and I'm actually going to fix this with a couple clicks of a button. Let's get started. Now let me take this particular video I made and open this to full screen, and you'll notice, look at all the dog hair here. I mean, it's scattered everywhere. Why I didn't notice this when I took the video, I'll never know. I love my German Shepherd, but I'll tell you, when she starts shedding in the fall, it just is no fun. You are constantly chasing after her. Doesn't matter how many times I brush her out. Now, normally, I should have set up some lights. I should have, blew some air to clear the table off and made it nice and clean, and I would have been good to go. But I didn't. So I've got this bad lighting video with dog hair in it. I mean, not attractive whatsoever. So what I've done is I go to Fix and Enhance, and then you'll see at the top ColorDirector. Now you have to buy ColorDirector if you don't have it, and you can do a lot with it. So I'm going to click on ColorDirector, and we're going to load that. Okay, ColorDirector loads, and you're going to see dog hair here, 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 and here. And you'll notice the color is horrible. Now, ColorDirector allows you to change the colors of the background. And it comes with some, and you can even go to Powerdirector called the Director Zone and download some. So let's say I choose Autumn Fresh. And you'll see it brought out a little bit more light, but you can really see that dog hair now. That's not what we want. How about Blue Ocean? Nah, too blue. Color green, can still see it. And you just go through, look at it, you really see it here, but it did change the lighting a lot. But you can really go through it and choose a whole bunch. So none of them actually worked. So I'm going to go to look at some that I've downloaded. And you'll see up here in this picture how it changes. Red, green. That one's kind of cool. SH light blue. What's that do? Whoa. Look at that. All the dog hair has been removed. The table's nice and white and pretty. Kind of like that. Nope, Shadow Hunter's no good. That emphasis too much of the dog hair. Not bad. The TW. A little bit too yellow for me, though. So as you can see, I can really change that video to just about anything I want. But I think I'm going to go with this one. Looks pretty cool. Once I have the one I've selected, all I got to do is click the X button, and it's going to take me back to Powerdirector. So now it's loaded in the Powerdirector, and let's pop that open. Look at that. And let's play it. And I see a little scratch there, but don't see that dog hair as much as you did. And the lighting is a whole lot better, isn't it? Okay. So now all I got to do is go ahead and compile this or produce it. And now I've got somewhat of a workable video that was just horrible. ColorDirector allows you to really, really change the looks of your actual films. Now you'll see here when you select color presets, I don't even have to go into ColorDirector if I don't choose, because there is a whole bunch of them here. And this is the one I'm using. So I could go this way, I could go this way. They're already sitting here, right here. I could click on the blue one, I could click on the yellow one. I could create like a scary scene. But like I said, that one there seems to work pretty good. So if you've ever thought about possibly upgrading the ColorDirector, this is just some tricks you can do. It does allow you to manipulate the backgrounds of your video to create that mood. So you can create a more scary mood. You can create, taking the dog hair out of the actual video because of my dog. One thing is for sure, when you get your shot, the better you do your shot, the less editing you do, and the less producing time you'll do. But when you mess up, it's kind of nice to know ColorDirector sitting in my back pocket and ready to fix my mistakes. At any rate, guys, like, subscribe. We'll get you some more videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.